In Bangladesh, a young man around 20 years old attempted to record a video on top of a moving freight train as part of a viral challenge. He and a friend climbed onto the train with the intention of capturing dramatic footage for social media. The friend managed to jump safely onto the ground beside the track. However, the young man was standing in the narrow space between two train cars, an extremely high-risk area. When he attempted to jump, he lost his balance and fell onto the tracks. This incident highlights the serious risks of filming or performing challenges near trains. Railways should only be used for transportation and crossed at designated areas, never as filming locations or stunt environments. Staying a safe distance from tracks, respecting railway rules, and avoiding risky behavior can prevent accidents and protect lives. A man attempting to cross a railway track on his bicycle as a high-speed train was approaching. He misjudged the distance and speed of the train, and before he could safely clear the tracks, he came into contact with the moving train. Witnesses reported that the man may have tried to rush across or did not notice the approaching train in time. The situation serves as a stark reminder that trains move much faster than they appear, and stopping distances are long, even for high-speed passenger trains. This incident emphasizes the importance of never attempting to cross railway tracks outside of designated crossings, and always paying close attention to signals and approaching trains. Even a small misjudgment in timing or distance can lead to serious accidents. Everyone should maintain a safe distance from tracks, avoid distractions such as mobile phones or cameras, and educate others, especially children, about rail. A young man was rushing to catch a train and attempted to cross the railway tracks while the train was already very close. While crossing, he tripped and fell near the rails. Thankfully, he was fortunate and remained safe, with no serious injuries reported. Emergency responders were quickly informed, and the young man received assistance immediately. Eyewitnesses emphasized how quickly such situations can escalate and how unpredictable train movement can be for someone on the tracks. This incident highlights the critical importance of patience and vigilance near railway tracks. Rushing or taking shortcuts can lead to dangerous situations, even when trains appear far away. A young boy was near a train track while recording a video for TikTok when a train approached. Despite the train's presence, he was too close to the tracks and made contact with the moving train. This incident highlights the importance of staying away from railway tracks at all times. Never attempt to record videos or take shortcuts near train lines. Always use designated crossings and follow railway safety rules to protect yourself and others. A group of teenagers in Bangladesh visited the Shingamari railway bridge to record a TikTok video. While preparing to take selfies with a passing train, they stood extremely close to the tracks, ignoring the danger of the approaching train. As the train passed by, one of the boys made contact with the moving train. He was quickly taken to a nearby hospital, and according to reports, he survived after receiving medical treatment. Witnesses and online viewers expressed concern about the growing trend of risky filming near railway lines, noting that distractions and social media pressure can lead to dangerous decisions. This incident stresses the importance of staying well away from railway tracks at all times. Trains cannot stop quickly, and standing close to the rails even for a photo or video can be extremely hazardous. Social media content should never come at the cost of personal safety. Always keep a safe distance, follow railway rules, and avoid filming or taking selfies near moving trains. Encouraging friends and family, especially young people, to make responsible choices can help prevent accidents and protect lives.